volunteers. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Renee, the occupational therapist. And we're going to kind of give you a video rundown of some of the children that you'll be working with this summer when I'm not here. This little one, her name is Soul. Soul is 14 months old, and she is very behind developmentally because she was very malnourished. So you need to treat her as if she's a much younger infant. So be sure to support her head and her neck when you're picking her up. The most important thing with Soul is that she needs stimulation in order to keep progressing. So one of the things you can do is to sit like this, make sure your back is supported, put her on your knees so that she can look at you and that her body is supported, and then work with her hands in midline. So clapping exercises, you can cross her arms, you can do some dance moves like John Travolta, you can do the running motion with her arms, anything to get her arms moving simultaneously or crossing her midline. Okay? The other thing you can do is to get her to track. So if you take brightly colored toys or toys that make noise and have her follow them, practice having her turn her head from side to side, which she's not at the moment. Anything to get her stimulated, okay? Having her, there you go, having her touch the toys, trying to grasp onto the toys. Other things you can do with Soul is she needs to spend some time on her tummy in order to increase the musculature of her back. So putting her on a wedge like this. Again, make sure you support her when you're picking her up. Put her down on her tummy so that her head is right towards the edge. Okay, make sure you are next to her at all times so that in case she decides to roll, you can catch her. But as you can see, she's trying to lift her head up a little bit, which helps to increase the strength in these muscles. Okay. Josie, could you make a chair over there? And she can spend 10 to 15 minutes in this position. One of the other positions that you can put her in to stimulate her is to put her in the bumbo seat. And you'll have to support her a little bit because she's tiny. But just the sitting position. Hi, sweet girl. Yes, are you sticking your tongue out for the camera? And then gently push her forward because she likes to arch her back. So gently holding her in this position and then using some toys. To stimulate her eye movement, as well as her arm muscles, just touching. And of course, just cuddling with her is very important. So each day, Soul should receive between 30 and 45 minutes of therapy and stimulation.